Nibo satana biokani nito sound senga ni malaka chigo. Tapi kita sabe bamba to kana nito angle. Ya set dia
Ana buona.
Aga set na sound. Backup mata mai set na sound. Nar ni muna kana turang muna mudar muna muna lawa. Ana boleh besar semi. Nak kecil tu lagi. Wailoku.
Mayari.
Saka di sana cakap ada video FM ni Andra di mata binaka. Nama tak ada mau di kuah mana sote keze na neto kapak.
Iyo.
Mana mereka kira na were koro.
Iyo, bata.
Kaya lorre mamalua entara mai werre kata werre tiko. Segala mai werre tiko nandela ni simendi.
Me file binaka mana isele.
Isan yan ni bulu binaka na biyo kan ni sama cuma yan matak binaka di ko. Sorry for those of you are tuning in the live stream. I know there's no sound in the front, but now we are sounding at the back. But it's okay. You can see the live stream today. It's a bit off angle. But that off angle can be connected to your on angle. So this song is dedicated to all of you. A very good morning to ladies and gentlemen in overseas, in overcast, in over broadcast, over sky, over limited. Why are you hiding your face in the live stream?
Overcome.
Hey, tu sekarang cuma mana kata tu mai kanda buat nama tani ko. Nambo walu mai on mai kanda. Ouch. Kaya kaya mando takkan ya daya. Nambo walu reda. Nambo walu ono kandabu.
Number one on kandabu is number 8 or bow tie. The bow tie 8-6 kandabu.
Okay. Kaya kita mata kona nambo kona bow. Nambo NR. Nambo ono.
The bow arrow. The bow arrow.
Walu di pusat. Nambo walu ono kandabu.
The bow arrow 8-6 kandabu. Bulu naka Bennett Sare sama cuma America and also to Tinai View. Thank you so much for tuning in America. And also Paul Junior Mia Tuni. Yan rambulu naka. O sepo soke wasa na lomani BTL 55. Sambio ni Corvongo. Serka tarabota chumi kemdo na pasidene BTL 55.
Don't know happy birthday.
Right.
Don't know friend go lela.
Acha. It's a Lela. A very good morning and a happy birthday, happy cake day to you. Thank you so much for reaching another day of your road show.
Thank you.
For your road show. Thank you so much for eating all your cake today. And we wish you a merry happy birthday.
I love you.
I don't love.
Okay. Ouch, wanda taga mana dona tu bosela la. Du sota, ele bela la tonga na tadi vingar ko. Right. Mani hat. Patikira no mani seta kana tadi ko patikira no mani la. Okay? Kamida na suka kina oni.
The sugar is sweet like a bee and also inside your kurniti.
Right, dongo. Eramboki Timothy na vai.
The flying drone in the water slapped Timothy at the side of his hip. The heavy of that slap, Timothy is using his hip to walk.
He's dragging his leg.
He's dragging his hip to walk.
Okay. All right, go. Go. Dormante tamata kan ko dor sata lota gawochi. Enrota ki odi ko tabole mai busia mai ko domuna ngono ko genro ilalanga.
Oh amena.
Iya. Enrota ki to amena ne sigelebu ni rabi enalalanga.
Amena ran away at lunchtime when he was walking at the back side of him at the side of the house. Welcome to the big rap to the CWM Artona Leonim Bulambula. Leonim Bulambula Mapi. Kenan remang automai sena binabole na sema chuma na matangani kuwa.
Okay. All right, dongo. Kito sa talo tagawid sa matangani kuwa.
All right.
Be kebonin na maramati na ba sudu lalai.
Right.
Kasi ang nindrondo binaka na sudu be papa. Monikania nambasisi.
For those of you just getting birth.
Right.
Or about to get birth. Or you having struggle of the milk to come out of your birth. Please
to papa.
To papa.
Right here.
Please do eat the softest stem of the roro leaf.
Yeah, birth me.
You birth me. And then you cook it. The softest part of the stem.
Or meat it.
Or meat it.
Right.
We call it the burr. The burr.
Right.
If you eat it, it will help soften. The edge is where the baby always feed in.
Wait,
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, last week we were at one restaurant in Rwanda. We were eating there at Nayau restaurant. Manayau. So I had fish, and it has mbele a little bit of mbamba, and michi. So while I was enjoying my mbamba, left, right, and center inside my mouth, I attacked my mouth. I distract my mouth with the mbamba. And I realized that Dems told me that this mbamba will help the mothers overflow the dudu to come out when it's time to breastfeed. If it's a little bit not going out, you eat this mbamba. Then when he told the story, I told Dems,
you feel something?
I feel the wetness in my shirt. And then he asked me, why? And I said, no, because you said it helps the mothers to feed the baby, to come out the dudu. When you tell me like that, I can feel the dudu is coming out of me. Because that's how much mbamba I ate.
Hey, maybe Marika was there last night.
Arvin, I want some mbamba.
Arvin,
JB707.
Arvin, you are the mbamba.
I eat you.
So that's it. But now, the
You satisfied?
No, I'm not satisfied. I need some more mbamba because you know why? I want to drown you guys with my dudu.
Keep it up.
Okay, all right. Ojo sigo bikin tuan mata nigo, sangat cuma orang. Alright, ouch, kau datang mana mo?
Yeah.
Oh, look yang kau ni barabi. Sa fomo ba? Si tabana.
Look at Gioni Barabi has reached his Form 4.
Right.
He is
After sitting his
exam, he is still sucking the bottle where the dudu is level high. So
That sounds like what?
like this. Moi moi. Moi moi. Moi moi. Moi moi.
Na level ni no mano tabaya na onde betorongi.
Even when he was having exam,
he was thinking about
the answer. And when the result came, the teacher saw the paper, all the answer blank there. He draw that bottle of milk. He draw the bottle of milk. Because all he thinks was the bottle of milk. Every answer, every line, there's no answer or anything.
Nothing there.
Nothing there.
All over the bottle.
All over the exam paper. He just draw the bottle of milk.
Look at Gioni Barabi.
We hope you like or you enjoy or you evaluate or you just rate. The outspaling so with the BSPK Punjas, thank you so much. Kenan rende chico be Dems.
We came to Melo Mebuna. Don't do Maroranum do su the Tavani.
Adi baba nga oi ilin da batawa luar manaka Efremi taliti dama sarga mena muni ni sambulan ni manaka
Lela, happy birthday.
Hey guys, share taka, like taka, guys heart taka na video and mataka ni kuwa. Na wala kami ni Sema chuma ile runa na wano sambulu na live stream. Ni video fa me kami na guys kachi. Kono mito kani rocks tu ta chama.
Hey, go kurmundu.
Hey, Dems ka
Andra. Hey.
Hey, lay turana.
Look at
Au seba kila tsingango.
Yeah.
Seba kali susotla.
Okay. Isusu na kini rotasyon.
Hey! Oh!
Hey, paano naman ito na girls in the bag and box? Girls in the bag and
Pagpuli
box.
na girls my bag and box. Kita kira tamani sudo. Oh! Onda ni TV.
Iya, sa turno ito na kata na baso mo. Matala sa akin yung baba.
You want to drink the bamba? It's soft on the edge. Hey! Oh! Woo! Yarunaka. Yarusin
Parang
surma.
cuma ini dapat tawag. Kasar biar karena pasti situ karena bisi itu tuh.
Hai, kana na lako tunga. Hey! Up.
Yang belakang, Billy. Yang belakang.
Karena coba karena mobil lasake.
Karena belum nak kaya. Hey! Hey! Nabala turakar brama dorbo keno na lawa. Nabala na chube kemo na matak na kuwa. Dems kakai.
Eh, ono.
Bada na ngona dara biro kon doktor kina. Gona bito kani rocks tembuta out mama. Turmudo.
Hey, Dems.
Ni kalungata ni ga shataka. En matak na ni ko matak na ga shotta chigo. Dana ga rongo kina. Na wali se iguna bombo kabada ba?
Yeah.
Na namo press.
Yeah.
Masakan na basi siut.
No sakana mbasi se uchi.
Masakan teknik.
E chigo na kena teknik ni bomboka. Ni madre kalungata. Ni madre.